Okay, here it is. So, not the video that we promised, bit of an anti-climax to be honest with you, but I thought I'd do a quick shoot on the G-Wagon. Ryan isn't here, hence the lack in videos, reels and photos this week. Trying to run a business, wrap cars, wrap campers and do everything else is hard. And then you've got to do a YouTube video and edit it, which I don't have a clue how to do. So appreciate all the effort that Ryan actually does do in editing and getting these videos created for everyone. So he's back off holiday on Monday. So next week's one will be pucker, I'm sure. So yeah, platinum wrapping film, PWF, matte bond gold, watercolor. Really pleased with the outcome. I think I said in the last video that I'd heard that they're extremely hard to wrap. The bits that we've done are all flat panels, nice and easy. So I think the bumpers and the kits and stuff like that, the arches, are probably the bits that people are referring to. But they've all stayed gloss black on this one, so I think I got away with that lightly. The gold and the black, I mean, it works really well. I'll do a walk round with it in a minute, and then you guys can see the finished product. But yeah, sorry for the lack of wrapping. Yeah. Hey ho, onwards and upwards. So definitely trying to piece this video together. As you can see, I'm just working on it now, trying to get it live for 7 o'clock. Haven't got a clue what I'm doing. YouTube is helping, but I did remember that we did a reveal, so when Ryan picked up the G-Wagon. So we're gonna chuck that in now. Let's see what he thinks.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Do you want me to come inside? You're just going to walk in and do a reveal?
Just walk in, do it.
Yeah, that's right then, let's go. Here we go. Mate, look at this. Mate, look at that. Mate, that looks lovely, Matt.
It's awesome, isn't it?
Fucking hell. That is mental. Mate, it was a good idea if the arch is black, wasn't it?
I know. I don't know what it's like without it.
Mate, I love the bits of black that's been kept.
The what?
All the bits of black that's been kept.
I know, yeah.
Do you have to do anything to the handles? Oh, you have?
Yeah, they're all glossed back.
What did you do, spray them?
Yeah, they've been painted.
Fuck, how did you manage that?
I took them out and sent them to it.
Fucking, yeah, decent.
Apart from the one on the back.
Yeah, that is mental.
That's
They look different when it goes outside as well.
Yeah, to do a full 360.
Yeah.
With your video. That's lovely, isn't it?
There we go, he likes it. So that's great news. Just remember to like and subscribe, guys, help us grow the channel, and we'll see you next week.